Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bri. Today I am back with a makeup tutorial and it is on this gorgeous palette. So this is the CARLI BYBEL palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. And first off, I just want to say congratulations to CARLI BYBEL. You are so beautiful, so sweet, and such an inspiration to many. You're one of the first YouTubers that I began to watch, and still up to this day when I see my notification that you posted a new video, I still get so excited. I can't wait to watch your videos. I have learned so many tips and tricks from you, from makeup to hair to fashion to just life in general, and seeing all your success is definitely inspiring. So I'm not gonna lie, at first when I saw the palette, the shades kind of scared me because it is very different and unique, but I was able to create this look right here. I did want to keep it very fall-y. This is like a perfect look for Thanksgiving because it has some of those cranberry tones in it. If you guys would like to see how I created this look, just keep watching. So eyebrows are on. Please excuse my ojeras. I have not been getting enough rest, but eyebrows are on. I actually have changed my eyebrow routine so much, as well as the products that I have used. I now use the Benefit brow pencil, and let me just tell you, you guys, way better than the Anastasia one. It's bomb. So I am in the shade 3.5. Could have gone with the 3, but they were out of stock, so I just went with the 3.5 and I just slightly filled them in. So I am going to be showing you guys this time a sped through. I'm gonna be doing like my foundation, my face first, but I will show you guys the products, but I'm not gonna be like explaining just because I do have a foundation routine. I'll just show you guys the foundation and all the products, and I'll just like speed through it. That way we can get through that part really fast. So let's get started. I'm so freaking pale right now, you guys. It's so sad, but I just have not had a chance to self-tan. You guys, let me just tell you, why spend your money on the Tarte Shape Tape when this freaking concealer is like $5 or $6 and it's so bomb? I was just bronzing up. It's so annoying that my freaking camera heats up so quick, but if I contour my nose a little bit, you know, make it look a little snatch. I don't even know what eye look I'm gonna do yet, but you can never go wrong with Milani Luminoso. It just goes with everything. So okay, you guys, so don't mind me looking crazy, but now for the star of the show, the beautiful CARLI BYBEL palette. So she is gorgeous, but every time I look at this palette, my mind just doesn't know what the heck to do with it. Like, I was trying to look up videos, but I couldn't find any to like get some inspiration, and I still don't know what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna go ahead and figure it out off camera. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use some of like the gold tones and stuff, because there's a lot of cool shades in here that remind me more of winter. So I definitely want to use this palette for a winter look, because there's like a lot of cool icy tones, but I just don't think they're fall appropriate, and I still want to make this look fall appropriate. So I'm gonna go ahead, come up with a look on this eye off camera, and then I will come back and show you guys what I created. So wish me luck. This shade range is beautiful, but it's just very, very different. So I came up with this eye look. I feel like it's very Thanksgiving appropriate. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Chai first, and pretty much just focus this in my crease. The shade range in this palette is very different, but you know what? CARLI BYBEL is the most sweetest person ever. She's actually the first YouTuber that I started watching, and she's a very big inspiration. I had to support her, even though this isn't a palette with colors that I would normally gravitate for. But I'm excited to use the more like icier, cooler shades once the winter comes. I feel like those are going to be really pretty. I came up with something pretty basic, that way you guys can recreate it at home. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade Steve or Steve. It's like this pretty cranberry shade, and I'm going to go right in the crease with that. Going back in just to blend. Now I am going to be cutting my crease. So usually I just dot a piece and then I'll like look up. I usually have to go in with the more like precise brush because I don't do this very often. So now I'm going to be going in with this pretty gold shade named Moo. I'm just going to be packing this on the lid. Now going in with the shade My Angels. It's just like a darker gold color. I'm just going to pack a little bit of this more towards the end here. I guess kind of like center end of the cut crease. Now going back in very softly to like blend that out and not making it look so harsh. Now going in with this darker brown shade named Boy. This is more of a dense fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be packing that in the outer corner and blending out that harsh line. Blend everything together. Usually when I blend everything together, I don't pick up more product. I just use whatever is still on the brush. Now going in with the shade Bear. It's just a matte nude. I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. Back with that cranberry color. I'm just going to pack that very tightly on the lower lash. Then tapping into Boy, which is that darker brown shade that we put right there. I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. Now tapping into Bali. This is like a champagne, like a little pink. I feel like it has some blue reflex, but I'm just going to pop that in my inner corner. Like I said, trying to incorporate as many shades as I can. It is now time to finish up this face. There wasn't too much fallout with the palette, which is really nice. You guys seriously need to invest in a fan. It helps you out with setting spray so much. I just got this on Amazon, but I love it for setting spray and also for like skincare. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna apply my lashes off camera. I am just going to be putting these on. They're actually from Amazon. I would I will leave them linked down below. They're so pretty. I've been loving them recently. And then I'm also going to be doing my lips. For my lips, I feel like this would go really good with like that cranberry shade that we did in the crease. So this is just the that Steve Laurent that I got from my BoxyCharm. It is in the shade Vogue, and then I am also going to be pairing it with this Nars Satin lip pencil. I think this is in the shade Rikugein. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but it's like this kind of mauve pinkish. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm going to do that off camera and then I will be back. So here's the final look, you guys. I absolutely loved how it turned out. That concludes today's video. Let me know what you guys thought, if you guys liked the look. If you guys own this palette and created any looks, I would love to see them. Send me pictures because it took me a while to figure out what kind of look I wanted to film. I absolutely love how the look came out. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you guys soon.